First, clean the area where the dashcam will go and apply the adhesive film. Next, attach the dashcam main unit firmly onto the film. Now, connect the auxiliary battery's output cable, rear camera cable, and GPS cable to the main unit. Then, gently route all 3 cables inside the roof trim. Feel free to use cable ties to bundle and keep the wires tidy. Next, route the auxiliary battery output and rear camera cables down through the front pillar gap. And mount the GPS unit in place. Then, continue running the auxiliary battery output cable along the weather strip. Now, remove the lower crash pad panel to access the fuse box area. First, connect the GND wire of the auxiliary battery input cable to a metal part of the vehicle body. Using a circuit tester, find an ACC fuse that only has power when the ignition is on, and no power when OFF. Pull out that ACC fuse and insert it into a dual fuse holder. Connect the ACC wire to the holder, and carefully wrap any exposed wiring with electrical tape. Next, use the tester to identify which side of the fuse slot is the power input side and which is the output side. Connect the ACC power, making sure the dual fuse holder wire is installed on the output side. Use the circuit tester to find a B+ fuse that has inserted into another dual fuse holder. Connect the B+ wire to the holder, again wrapping any exposed wiring with electrical tape. Again, use the tester to identify the power input and output sides of the B+ slot. Connect the B+ power, ensuring the wire is installed on the output side. Next, remove the front door skirt trim. Route both the auxiliary battery input and output cables along the door skirt. And reinstall the trim. Now, connect both cables to the auxiliary battery pack, then turn on the power and FineVu dashcam switch. Check that the dashcam main unit is receiving power correctly. Finally, secure the battery under the driver's seat using fabric tape, and organize the cables neatly with cable ties. Now, route the rear camera cable along the weather strip, passing through the B pillar and C pillar gaps. Clean the area where the rear camera will go and apply the adhesive film. Attach the rear camera onto the film and connect the cable to complete the install.